The door handle on our RV was broken, and so I'm going to replace it. I've got what's supposed to be the direct replacement, but we'll see exactly how close that is. It's supposed to be like a 15-minute job. We'll find out. Let's go. Random dad stuff. Well, good morning, everyone. I've got today something special I'm gonna do. I'm gonna replace this door handle. It's gonna be exciting. Stay tuned. This particular one they don't make anymore, but I did find a replacement and they're not cheap. Here's what I got. Well, I can see what's worn out, the edge of that little piece right there. When this turns, that little piece slides behind there because it's so worn out. I already replaced the springs in here a week or so ago, but it did not fix the problem. So I'm pretty sure it's that little edge right there, and this edge is all worn off, and these things all worn off, and yeah, pretty much everything. So I just replacing the whole thing. So comparing the old one with the new one looks like it's a lot sturdier, more sturdy design. I just hope it's gonna fit. Almost a perfect fit. Well, we're looking pretty good. All the holes line up so far. And let's keep going. Two hours later. This part went in just fine. It was this side that was the problem because there's only about a 1/16 inch of clearance for this. So I had to cut out a bunch of this metal and cut out a bunch of this, hammer this in. It was a pain. It's not pretty, but it works. Now, a wise old teacher once told me, always put away your tools when you're done. So that's what I'm gonna do. It's always these simple projects that end up being not simple. This took me a little over 2 hours. It should have been about 15 minutes, but I guess that's what happens. DIY jerry rig. But it closes now. If you want to learn how to change more locks, check out some other channels because this wasn't a good example. But thanks for watching anyway. Probably about lunchtime now. Gonna head home and get something to eat. Bye.